Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to animate a cloth like a flag. So we are going to do a flag simulation, and don't worry, this tutorial is for absolute beginner. So just relax and open Blender. So once you open Blender, you will see this cube in the middle. We don't need this cube, so we are going to delete it. And now for the pole, for the flag's pole, we are going to add a cylinder, and we are going to scale it down in X and Y direction so that we get a very less diameter, but we will scale it in a Z direction so that it looks like a pole. And select this cylinder and go to physics tab and add a collision to the type. Now for the flag, we are going to press shift A, and for the cloth we are going to add a plane, but flag is like in a rectangular shape, so scale it in either X or Y direction, only X or Y direction. Now scaling it in Y direction, we are going to rotate it, and we are going to place it as only one edge of a plane will be in a collision or will be in interaction of a pole, like how the flag is attached to the pole. So that's how we are going to position it. Now after positioning it, select the plane, go to the physics tab and add a cloth. After adding a cloth, set quality steps as 10 because we need a higher quality of the simulation. Then check if the collision, and inside a collision a self collision is on or not. Self collision is something like once it is in a simulation, the cloth itself will collide with each other and it won't pass through it. So that is what a self collision is. Now we will go to the edit mode, and we are going to subdivide the plane so that it works as a cloth. And go to edit mode, subdivide it, and we will need a 60 subdivision so that a simulation will be much better. So once we subdivide the cloth, we are going to join the cloth with the pole. Only the edge of the cloth which is attached to the pole, so we are going to join them together so that it works as a flag, but it does not fall off once you simulate the whole scenario. So select the cloth, go to the edit mode, then only select the vertices of the edge where the cloth is attached or interacted with the pole. Now we are going to add a vertex group. So for that, go to the go to the vertex group, then press on plus sign and give the name pin. Okay, and for this, go to the cloth, and in the section of shape you will have to add those pin group. So add as a pin, but we want to add a quality and also a thickness in the cloth material, so we are going to add the modifier called solidify to the cloth, and we are going to give it a thickness of 0.002 m, as well as we are going to give it a subdivision surface. So select the cloth and give both the modifier solidify and subdivision, and after adding both of them, go to the cache in the cloth, change the end frame as per your selection. I am doing it 150, and bake the scene. So after baking a scene, if we press play button, so you can see the cloth is not joined with the pole, but it is falling off. The reason of this is we have added a vertex group, but we did not assign it. So for that we will have to delete this bake. We will again go to the edit mode, selecting pole and cloth, and then we are going to go to the data where the you can see the vertex group pin and press assign. Now after pressing assign, go to the shape and see if the pin is there. If it's not there, again press the pin group and now bake the scene. So here you will be able to see that after joining them together and after adding a vertex group and after assigning a vertex group, the cloth is not falling off, but cloth is that edge of the cloth is joined with the pole and the other part of the cloth is falling like a flag. So that's how you can do a flag simulation inside a Blender. Now to add more fun or to add more realism, you can press Shift A, and in the force field you can add a wind as a reference so that it waves as per your direction of a wind. So adding the wind and add the strength of the wind, direction of the wind, the size of the source of the wind and the size of the source of the wind. Changing them will change how the cloth or a flag will react. So that's how you can do a flag simulation inside a Blender. So if you find this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and stay tuned. Thank you.